Hello YouTube, this is the Autovac Halo from iHome. This is gonna be just an unboxing video, so I'm not gonna be doing a review during this one. In these shots here, I'm just going around the box so you can pause and see what the box looks like. And very shortly I'll be opening and removing the unit from its box. I will speed it up a little bit here, cutting up and removing the main components. I done a similar video of the Autovac iHome Nova, which is also very good, and that's mainly the reason why I purchased this one. This is the newest version. This is the main robot right here, taking off all the pieces that comes with it. I'll do some close-up shots in a minute where you'll be able to see some of the components in a better look. This is the auto emptying base, and the auto emptying base is a must-have. I own other robots that doesn't have it, but this is really what makes this be almost 100% autonomous, right? You program to clean once or twice a week, as often as you want. It goes there, cleans your house, and then it cleans itself automatically. The iRobot iHome Nova that I have, it's been cleaning my basement for about a year now. Over 133 jobs done. Right here we have the unit. This is the main unit, the robot. As you can see, the roller, it's a brush. The dust compartment, and also holds the water. And to make it mop, you need to attach the mopping pad that I'm gonna show you next. This is the base, the self-emptying base. Open from the top, you have a bag. It comes with an additional bag. My experience that this holds a lot of dirt. In my basement, I don't need to replace very often. Maybe need it on other living space. This close-up shot here, a little bit closer, just showing you what comes. The base, the robot, an additional pad, the mopping attachment, cable, extra filter, extra bag, remote control, and I forgot to mention, but next to it there is another triangle, those for brushing the corners. There is also an additional triangle there too. So I hope you guys liked this video. Again, this is just to show you what comes in the box and what you get when you purchase this unit. I'll be doing additional videos with this robot running. I'll be testing it out on my own house, purchase with my own money. So this is a very honest review. It will be a very honest review, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, comments, like or dislike if this video wasn't helpful at all. Thank you very much.